Hi everyone, today's our task is how to program astrological signs in Python language. So first of all, let's go into the Jupyter. This is Jupyter notebook, right? So up over here, what's defined over here? This is we have the astrological signs in Python language. So this is a Python language code over here. So the code says over here what have been written up over here. It says first of all, have to take as an input, which is a type of integer as a day. So that's going to be what that's into your birthday. So the month is going to be into your month. That's going to be the input. That's going to be the month. The very first, this is the very most important loop over here. You have to understand if, else, and else if loop over here. So first of all, it says if month equals to this equal sign over here in Python equals to December. Right, December, which is going to be the month. You have to write it in the quotation and colon. Afterwards, you have to find if comment says what if day is less than 22, then it's going to be what astrological sign will be Sagittarius. Else, what if this is out of the loop, then it's going to be Capricorn. Else, if no month is going to be January. If day is less than 20, astrological sign will be Capricorn. Else, astro sign will be Aquarius, right? Else, if month equals to Feb, if day is less than 19, astrological sign equals to Aquarius. Else, astrological sign equals to Pisces. Else, if month equals to March, if day is less than 21, astrological sign equals to Pisces. So right over here, else we have to find over here astrological sign is Aries. So that's all we have to do up over here. We have to work out like this up here. So this is the working over here in this program. So if I go down over here, if I go to the second last over here, if day is less than 23, its equal sign is Libra. Else its equal sign is Scorpio. Else if month equals to November. So this is exactly for the November over here. If day is less than 22, right? Its equal sign equals to November. Else it's Sagittarius. So this is the sign over here. We have to check it out. If I have to run in Jupyter notebook, how I'm going to run? So this is over here. This is the says exactly you have to reset the kernel. So we are going to reset the kernel and see what's exactly the output comes up over here. It says over here what day of your month is. Let's say I say over here is 12. Right? If I press enter, 30th, right? And the month in which is born is April, right? So it says Taurus because this comes in Taurus. So this is the exactly finding astrological sign in Python language. I hope you guys have understood this program. If you have any question, please let me know. Thank you very much.